Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're going to talk about a fantastic DIY project, making your own aloe vera gel for skincare. This is a great way to save money and customize your skincare routine. Aloe vera is a versatile ingredient that can be used for a variety of skin concerns. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a great choice for soothing, moisturizing, and even healing skin. To make your own aloe vera gel, you'll need fresh aloe vera leaves. First, cut off the sharp edges and then peel off the green layer. Next, scoop out the gel and blend it with a few drops of your favorite essential oil. You can use this DIY aloe vera gel as a face mask, a spot treatment, or even a body moisturizer. It's a great way to pamper your skin and save some money at the same time. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY beauty tips. Until next time, happy DIYing!